Hi friends, so Christmas and holidays, happy holidays, New Year is imminent. So I finally got this package from Vaibhav Kulkarni, one of my friend. He's from Hyperx. Thanks dude for delivering this so early. So I should check out what is this. So here you can see the Hyperx logo. Nice bag, I think. So if you know or may not know, let me refresh the memories. Those who know and those who don't, Hyperx was the prime sponsor for DreamHack Mumbai, and this is recently concluded event. It was one of the biggest and grand event you can ever see in India. So quickly getting the stuff out from it. So I think this is the planner. So see how I think the symbol belongs to Cloud9 and all those teams. So if you are a esports fan, this one is for you. I will just scroll through and click links. Like you can see so many esports personality, and I think Hyperx are in the one who pushed the mechanical keyboard revolution and all those things fast, because the flash sales are damn good at the event. And if you consider history, now this thing is special. Hyperx t-shirt, definitely wearing it, and I think it's the mask or bandana. Yeah, I think it's one of those things. Like super cool. Here's the skull. I'm not opening the wrappers because dust issue and it may get spoiled. Okay, so quickly going through the stuff, because we are not even yet at our main stuff. So is there anything else? Yes, two small items. No, there is actually more. I think there's a card. I will show everything. Yeah, see, it's empty. Thanks for the bag, by the way. So this is the band. We are all gamers. The tag. And I think you may know few of the Hyperx personalities from India, like Robo and Rast. Hyperx keychain. And this is the card. This Vaibhav Kulkarni. Yeah. Okay. Done. So this is the Hyperx calendar. I may open it. OMG. So this is the surprise I was waiting for. So this one is from DreamHack Mumbai. The cosplayer dude. Sorry, I can't recall the name. Nice indeed. It's Captain America. Okay, so inside it, let me open calendar. So this is the calendar. Like, yeah, esports and the guy. So Darulps, Cloud9, Sneaky. Yeah, this logo. That was right. EcoFox, the Beast, Renegades, JKS, and some more info. So nice stuff, nice touch. So who is the main star? And thanks for the print again. Thanks, man. Nice. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. So what is the main stuff we are waiting for it? Like, tada, sit. So this is Pulsefire search. Yeah. Let me take it out. So this is the famed Hyperx Pulsefire search RGB gaming mouse, dynamic 360-degree lighting effect. I cut open the seal, so we will quickly look for it. So Pixar 3389 sensor, net API up to 16,000, home run switches rated for 50 million clicks, 6 programmable buttons, weight 100 grams, and yeah, Intel Extreme Masters ESL and Navi. So there was ESL event also in India, and I think Hyperx was also part of that. So you know, a lot of gaming events and such. Okay, deep dive into the box. I cut off the seal. Now we can look more towards it. Sorry for the hairy hands. So more paper and stuff. Hyperx has recovered. I think this is the warranty sleep or some kind of thing. So again, this is the line of product from them. The RAMs, the SSD. Yeah, I think this is the Alpha, and it's the Alloy Elite. So gunmetal. This is revolver and some quick start guide. We not need that now. Okay, so one thing I like to say, you have to download the Ingenuity software from Hyperx. Yeah, it's indicated here also. Let me try to take the outdoor ad. Yeah, nice. So finally the product. Okay, Hyperx. The scroll, the DPI buttons, the LED strip runs right across the mouse. So I think this one is also LED one, RGB LED. This is the bottom of the mouse. Pulsefire search, HXMC 02B, 5 volt, all this information. Yeah. So I think the weight is good. Yeah. So I was talking about this. Download the software at hyperx.com Ingenuity. So that's your stuff and all those unboxing. So thanks for watching the video. Peace.